What we're going to go through now is how you can share your personalized client portal with all of your clients so you can start getting them to do lots of the hard work of booking with you by themselves. So just go across to the online presence section of the menu and click on Client Portal. As you can see, we come up here and this is the preview of what your client portal looks like, and you can edit this over in the top right hand corner. But we're here to talk about spreading the good news about your client portal on your Pocket Office website. So these are the three options that you've got. First of all, you can go straight through to social media and start sharing directly on your social media accounts your new client portal, and that you'd like people to go there and book with you or to pay invoices there as well. Nice and easy. If you want to get a bit more personal, you can actually create a link to get your clients to do something specific. So here you can see all the options of what you can have that link into. You can either have the client come and just visit your new portal, have them log into their specialized account. You can invite them to schedule an appointment or a service with you. You can even invite them to pay an invoice that you've given to them. You can get them to upload a document, maybe for that type of service, or you can have them just contact you back via email. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to grab the link for asking the client to log into their account. Here we go, the link's just there. I can grab that. That link is now copied to my copyboard, and I can put that in an email or a text message or anywhere else that I would like to. And a nifty little feature inside Pocket Office is this, just sending a campaign. With this, you can automate a lot of the hard work of getting the word out about your client portal. If you click on Send a Campaign, it brings up this window here, and you can invite your clients to do something. So in this case, it's visit the client portal. So I'm going to create this email campaign to all of my clients, or a subsection. There we go. So as you can see here, right out of the box, it's already made for you. If you like, you can edit this further. You can add in different colors, different text, different images if you'd like. What I'm going to do is I'm going to say that I'm fine with this. I'm going to click Done. So what I've got here is, if I'd like to, I can send this email out to a list of all my clients. It's easy as that. If you just click Send, it'll send out an email that's personalized for your business to all of your clients, inviting them back to the client portal, where they can book appointments with you and even, most importantly, pay some of those invoices. And that's how easy it is with Pocket Office.